Hi everyone, this is Hazel here. Today, we have something super fun for you. We're going to play a game made in PictoBlox where you help a cute little chick. Open PictoBlox. Choose the blocks option. Now we can delete this character. Choose another one. From here, let's choose this character. It's ready. We need to start it from the starting point and choose a background for our game. We can choose the blue sky image. Ready. Now we need to put an egg in this. Go to character and choose the egg. Search egg. Select the egg picture. For now, the stage setup is all set for game. We need to reduce the size of this egg by changing the 100 in the size section to 50. First we need to program the chick. Select the chick to block program it. We need to set the initial position of the chick. It's like the sprite should start from the beginning position when we click the green flag. For that, we need to select the block when green flag clicked. Then program to start from initial position. When looking into the starting, the position is indicating as the X and Y values. So these values will be in the Go To option from the motion section. This Go To option will take the chick from anywhere in the game to its starting position. Putting this anywhere and clicking the green flag will show this. Drag and start. It's done. Then we need to set the chick movements in sounds. The chick should be controlled in a way like it is jumping. Select the block for when space key is pressed. Change the space to up arrow. Then we the chirp sound of this chick. For that, go to sounds. Select start sound chirp. This will give the chirp sound. When we clicking on the up arrow, there will be this kind of sound. Next step is to control the jumping motions of this sprite, like it is jumping in the upward direction. For the jumping actions, go to the control section and select repeat block like this. Inside this repeat block, you can see a 10, which means whatever you are going to written inside will repeat 2 times and will stop. So when this chick is jump image, only its y-axis values will change. X-axis will be the same. Go to motion and select the block named change y by 10. This means when we are pressing the up arrow, the chick will change its y value by 10 and for 10 times. So it will goes high. Then we use another repeat block, but change y value to -10, because it need to come downwards. Again to motion, select the same and change y value by -10. Now let's check this. It is making chirp sound and jumping very properly. Since this is an interesting game, it will more good to see the scores. To see the scores, go to variables, make a variable, then name it as score. Click OK. Now select the block, set my variable as 0, and put it in the first part. Change variable to score. This is to ensure the score should be 0 at every beginning of the game. Then select the block, change my variable by 1. Put it after the second part. Change the variable into score. Each time the chick skips an egg, without touching it, the score will increase by 1. Now it's time to program the egg. Select the egg image. Then let's start the block programming. Here it is. All we need is to glide the egg from one position to another like this. To do this gliding movement, we need to go the events section. Select the green flag selected. Then we need to confirm the initial position of the egg at the starting of the game. The initial position should be fixed. You can choose it as how you need. I am choosing my initial position as here. We can see the X and Y values that we required in the next step. Select the Go to X and Y values from the motion section. Don't forget to check the position values are same. Put it after the green flag. After setting initial position, we need to set the final position. Fix the final position and you want the egg to glide towards. And now choose Glide to X and values from the motion section and put it after Go to Block. Let's check this by clicking the green flag. The egg is gliding from one point to another. Now we need to put this Go to and Glide blocks in a Forever block so it will, rather than just gliding one time and stops. We can make it too many times by selecting the Forever blocks. Change 1 second to 3 or 2 for making the gliding slow. Take the Forever block and put it here. Yes, it is working. It is time to set the false movement, like when the chick hit the egg. Instead of jumping, the game should stop. Select another green flag. Go to Control section, select the block, wait until. Then go to Sensing, select the Touching Mouse Pointer. Change the mouse pointer to chick. At last select the Stop All block from the Control section. Select the Stop All block. Game stopped when the chick touched the egg. Now it's time to play the game. Oops. Again. You can see the score is increasing here. Okay, now that's all about developing a chick game using PictoBlox. You can add more eggs. So go and build your own game. Let's learn and play together. We can meet with another interesting game video using PictoBlox coding. All the very best. Bye from Hazel.